Brothers and Sisters.
What are we doing, Connor?
We're at Walmart.
We're at Walmart, and we are going to be picking up some freebies.
It's weird because she don't have makeup on.
No makeup today. All right, so we got to tell them to do what? They got to do something for us.
Subscribe.
Yes, like, share, and subscribe. We're almost at 2,000 subscribers, so let's keep it going, guys. Let's get going. The next one is going to be a Tresemme bundle on Shopkicks. You're going to buy the Botanique and the Pro Pure. They are $5.98 each. When you buy both of them at $5.98 each, it's going to make these $11.96. You're going to use this $5 off coupon. Now, it expires today, so get this deal in if you can. It expires today. When you do that, it's going to make everything $6.96. And then on Shopkicks, you can do the scan, the bundle, all that. It's going to be 990 kicks, which is equivalent to $3.96 Shopkicks in equivalency. And so the total price is going to be $3, so they're going to be $1.50. We're doing the dry shampoo Batiste deal again. Now, at my store, they're $6.48. I've seen some people that have it for a little bit cheaper. So what you're going to do is buy two of these at $6.47. That makes it $12.94. You're going to submit your receipt to Swagbucks. Now, I did have a 1,200 Swagbucks, but now it's going down to 1,000. So it's 1,000 Swagbucks, which is equivalent to $10. So you're going to get both of them at $2.94, or you're going to get them at about $1.48 a piece. Now, if you did have the 1,200 Swagbucks, which is equivalent to $12, then it's only going to cost you about 94 cents for both. But I'm going to pick this up still because dry shampoo is pretty pricey, and I don't really get coupons for this. The next thing I'm getting is an IBOTTA deal. The Dove single bar soap is $1.27. I know some people said it's 97 cents in their store, but it's $1.27 for us. You can do this deal 5 times in IBOTTA, so we're going to be picking up 5 bars of soap. The rebate is 75 cents back on IBOTTA, making these just 52 cents each. And I'm going to pick up 5 bars. This will be great for blessing bag. No, not including that. Pick up 2 of these Edge Shave Gels at $2.87. This is on IBOTTA. I always pick these up. So the Edge Shave Gels, for 2 of them, are $2.87. That's at $5.74. We have this coupon for $1.50 off 2 of the Edge Shave Gels or the Skintimates, making it $4.24. We're going to submit that IBOTTA for $1 on that and $1 on that. That's $2 on IBOTTA. Making this just $2.24 or about $1.12 each. Next thing we're picking up is a repeat deal on these Can-Do wipes. They are $1.54. You can do this deal 5 times on IBOTTA. We're going to be using that 75 cent off or rebate on IBOTTA, making these just, I think, 59 cents. Let me check my math real quick. Not 59 cents, but making these just 79 cents. This is a repeat deal in Shopkicks for the Old Spice travel size deodorant and the Old Spice body wash. Now, on my spreadsheet, I listed this Old Spice as the Old Spice bundle. There it is. So if you see it there, that's the Old Spice bundle. I just said 2 of them at $1.47 because some stores vary. So about $2.94 for those. And what's going to happen, you're going to submit to Shopkicks for 1,050 kicks, which is equivalent to $4.20, making this a $1.26 moneymaker. So pick this up. This is great to give in blessing bags. I use these in my classroom for my students if they need it. Great little stocking stuffer. So moneymaker of $1.26. The repeat deal on the Clorox to-go pack. This is in the travel section. There were so many people in the aisle, I had to get out of there. So it's 97 cents for these. Now with the scans and kicks, you'll get back 82 cents on Shopkicks, but I've already, exhausted all of my scans, so I'll just be getting 70 cents back today with buying it. So let me look at my math. Here's the Clorox to-go wipes. If you buy one, they're 97 cents. You're going to get 70 cents back in Shopkicks, which is 27 cents. So you're going to get 27 cents back on these Clorox to-go wipes. What? I'm showing you this. You wearing old people glasses?
Yeah, they're strong.
They're strong. What are you picking up, bud? We're only getting Fancy Feast, not Sheba. Don't get Sheba. So we're picking up 4 of these Fancy Feast. I've done this deal many times. They are 98 cents each. So you're going to buy 4 of the Fancy Feast. Where's it on my sheet? So 4 of them at 98 cents each is $3.92. We're going to use this $2 coupon. Now remember, this was on coupons.com too, so you may be able to print it off. I'm not sure if you can still. When you do that, it's going to be
My dad.
$1.92. And then we're going to submit 2 of the cat food rebates to IBOTTA. I'll just show you the picture. But it's going to be 10 cents and 10 cents, taking off 20 cents. And so when you do that, it's going to be $1.72.
And I'm getting a credit card soon.
Ooh, so it'll be for all 4 cat foods, it'll be $1.72.
Yeah. This is dog food.
It's dog food. So how much is it? 74 cents.
But we don't have a dog.
But we don't have a dog.
But we're gonna get it.
Why are we gonna get it?
Because it's healthy for the environment.
It's healthy for the environment. So no, we're getting this dog food at 74 cents. There are 4 IBOTTA rebates coming off of this at 40 cents. So there's 10 cents, 10 cents, 10 cents, 10 cents. 10 times 4 is 40. And so I'm gonna make one thing of dog food, 34 cents. But I just want it because I'm getting 4 rebates on this. No dog food. No,
it was 30.
34. No dog in our house.
40.
But I'm sure a dog will appreciate it if we give it to him.
No.
We've done this deal before. It's a repeat deal in IBOTTA. These Zebra Z-Grip pins are $2.94. So I've got it listed wrong on my computer here. I had $2.97. So $2.94. You're going to use $1.50 off or $1.50 back on IBOTTA, making these just $1.44 each, and you can do this twice. So stock up on those school supplies, $1.44 each on these, doing this twice, $2.94, getting back $1.50. I really like this Lemmy Shine dish detergent. It's $3.97. It's the 15 count. What we're going to do is we're going to get 2 of these. When we get 2 of these, we're going to submit to Swagbucks for 1,000 Swagbucks or $10. This will make this a $2.06 money maker, or $1.03 per bag. Okay, so there's so many people in here today, I can't film properly. So these are $2.70 for the Eggland's Best eggs. They are my favorite eggs. What we're going to do is we're going to use this 50-cent coupon. What about it?
It's so much.
It's so much. 50 cents.
You didn't even cut them out yet.
Oh, I will cut these out. I just never cut these out. Yeah, 50 cents off this $2.70, making this $2.20 when I use that coupon. And then we're going to go over to Shopkicks and submit that to Shopkicks. And it's about $1.46 in Shopkicks after we submit it. Making the eggs just 74 cents.
Let's see if they're perfect or not.
Okay, let's check them. 74 cents for some more expensive eggs. That's a pretty good deal. And open it. Are they perfect? Awesome. They look pretty good. You checking all of them?
Yeah.
All right, so 74 cents for some Eggland's Best eggs. Also try these. Haven't tried them yet, but school starting soon, so this will be good. The Ritz Cheese Crispers in the 6-pack are $2.98. I found it over there where all the box snacks are. So these are on IBOTTA for a BOGO. So what you're going to do is buy 2 of these at $2.98, times that by 2, but then it's going to take $2.98 off at the register, making one of these boxes for free. This is a repeat deal on this Country Time Zero Sugar. They're only $1 each, but with the scans and the kicks, it's about $2.08. So this will be $1.08 money maker, and somebody pushed them all the way in the back, but I found them. Can't hide them from me. Leave them there. We'll come back and get them later.
I can get them.
No, we just need one box. All right, we're going to do this Crystal Light again. These are $2.48. Now, there are some that are a little bit cheaper, but I don't like that flavor. I want to try the pink lemonade this time. I got the lemonade last time. So $2.48. There are 520 scans and cakes on Shopkicks, which is equivalent to $2.08, making this just 40 cents for this box of Crystal Light. This is another repeat deal. The Jet Puff Marshmallows are $1.76. On IBOTTA, there is a $1 rebate, and you can do this up to 5 times if you like. So after that rebate, it's just going to be 76 cents. And then Shopkick has 110 scans and kicks, which is about 44 cents in scans and kicks, making a bag of marshmallows just 32 cents. We're going to be picking up this Energizer LED keychain. What'd you do with it? Put it back.
That's blind to me.
That. So it's $5.98 for one of them. IBOTTA has a rebate for $2 back. And then Shopkicks has another rebate for $3.10 back. And I think it's about, 700 and something, almost 800 kicks. Making this just 88 cents for this flashlight that was once $5.98. So you're saving big bucks on this keychain flashlight. This would be good to put in a little stocking stuffer. Yeah, it is. It definitely is. Awesome. 88 cents after Shopkicks and IBOTTA rebates. We're getting down these Trident pocket packs. these are $1.88. I've been looking everywhere for the mint ones. We can't find it. So we'll get this tropical twist. $1.88 for these. We're gonna buy 2 of them. And it's a BOGO, so you'll get one of these for free on IBOTTA. So buy 1, get 1 free on IBOTTA. $1.88. Amazing haul today at Walmart. Everything you see here was $77.09. But I did get the extra bars of soap, so it's less. Actually, it was less than that, but I only calculated 1 bar of soap. So $77.09 for everything. We use Fetch, IBOTTA, Shopkicks, and Swagbucks. I haven't checked out Checkout 51, but I will here in a minute. I'm just not as familiar with it, but I'm sure it's just as easy. We had a bunch of money makers. Here is my printable breakdown for you guys. So the $1.26, that was the Tresemme. Nope. The Old Spice bundle was a $1.26 money maker. The Crystal Light, nope, not Crystal Light, the Country Time was, fix the math on that. I knew that wasn't a money maker. The Crystal Light was $1.08 money maker. Let's see. That's the Let Me Shine. I love this detergent. The Let Me Shine was a $2.06 money maker. Make sure you get the 15 count. That's $3.97 and not the large count. That's like $5.97. We also got the Skippy peanut butter again. I don't know why it's in my gallery, but it's there again. And I got 50 cents. It's part of the back to school bundle, but it's there again, so I'm getting it again. And then, of course, I got the weekend Whiteboard IBOTTA bonus, which was $5, and the July 2nd bonus, which was $1. So I factored those in there as well. So everything was $78.57. And my total after coupons, IBOTTA, all that was $9.92. So pretty good, considering I got a lot of great things that we use and need. You know, people say all the time, oh, I don't have anything to coupon because I don't need that stuff. Well, what do you not need in this picture? Probably the only thing I probably won't need is this Energizer flashlight, which was only 88 cents, and this Bella dog food, which was 34 cents. But I know plenty of people that have dog food. But everything else you see in this picture, I use, we need. I'll take some of this. If my kids don't like this gum, I'll take it to my classroom and use it as prizes. So who wouldn't like some gum as prizes? And I'm a science teacher, and so we use marshmallows for all types of things. And plus we roast marshmallows as a family as well. So great deals on everything. Got some back to school snacks going on right there. So $9.92 for everything in the picture. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. We're almost at 2,000 subscribers on my channel. So thanks guys. See you next time.